Hi, Kaden.
Hi, Mommy.
What do we got today?
We got a free vacuum and found out that the bin is full, but we didn't empty it yet.
Oh, gosh.
And we put a battery in. This one only had 2% on the battery.
Mm-hmm.
They even gave like a charger that I could charge up the battery by itself. That's good because if we don't need to vacuum and if our batteries are completely dead, we just put on there for a charger.
Right. So we got a free vacuum, this Ryobi stick vacuum.
We just got to them. We do not
Didn't come with a battery, but we already had batteries because we have a bunch of Ryobi products.
Yeah, we needed this because
you want to show us how it works?
Like dog hair.
Dog hair? We don't have dogs, silly.
I mean cat hair.
Cat hair. Do you want to show us how it works?
Yeah, it goes on different modes every time. Like turn it off and like when you turn it off, it turns off. When you click the button.
Like a high mode and a low mode?
Yeah. So
I haven't even looked at it yet, so. Whoa. Is that like a high mode? And that's a low mode? Interesting. Seems to work pretty good. What do you think? Hold on, let's come right back. I'll get some something you can clean up. We'll get some confetti real quick. Okay, so we put some confetti down to see how well it sucks up compared to our Dyson stick vacuum, right?
Yeah, but we don't go down into the bin because we're just seeing how well it sucks up confetti.
Okay, go ahead.
We have a lot more in the bag.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
All right, test it out. We only have 1% left on the battery though. Seems to do okay. Oh, is it not sucking up? Dyson does too. It kind of gets clogged. Be gentle. Is it heavy?
What?
Is it heavy?
What?
Is it heavy? Yeah.
Kinda.
Yeah, it looks like it's heavy.
It's not.
Oh, it's not. It's probably heavy because of the vacuum. I mean, the battery. Oh, did it die?
No, I just turned it
Oh,
off.
okay. So what do you think? How does it work compared to the Dyson?
It didn't really suck up anything.
What?
So check the brush.
Oh.
It's gonna go in high suction.
Okay.
So, but that's fine, right?
Yeah.
But it's gonna get loud. It's gonna
Ooh, it's already pretty loud.
But you know why? Because these are like bristles and not soft. And they might not.
I think it's more of like a shop vac.
Wow!
Oh, let's see how much it. Oh, look at that.
Six.
Well, why don't you're gonna dump it now or wait till you get everything? There you go. What was that? Is it not picking everything up? That's what our Dyson does too. Weird. All right, you want to tell me what you think about it? Okay. What? What is it on red?
Blinking.
It's what? Blinking? Oh, it's probably gonna die soon.
What?
It's probably gonna die soon. So. Ah, okay. So the battery's done. Okay, so tell us what you think of that.
Picked up most of it.
Yeah, it seems to do pretty well. Oh. How well do you think it works? Yeah.
I want to empty the bin.
Okay. Do you think it works as well as our Dyson?
That one's done. It works better than the Dyson.
Really? You think so?
Because it has
a better
it
brush?
has more suction and the brush is not clogged. Your vacuum only works a little bit.
Yeah, right now my vacuum's clogged.
Pick up soil. It's one time we spray one of our plants and this pushed in a pile.
Yes,
so
it did.
This one, if we spray soil again, we're gonna pick this one. Right?
Okay, sounds like a plan.
Or Roomba, right?
Yes.
But the Roomba's won't work. This one.
This one works?
Yeah.
All right, say bye.
Bye, subscribe. Yeah.